Meaning of celebrate. Celebrate is a verb meaning to observe or honor a special day or event with joy, activities, or a gathering. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. We will celebrate her birthday tomorrow. 2. They celebrated their anniversary at a nice restaurant. 3. Let's celebrate our success together. 4. Diwali is celebrated across India with lights and sweets. 5. He loves to celebrate small achievements. 6. We should celebrate this happy moment. 7. They celebrated with music and dancing. 8. How do you usually celebrate New Year's Eve? 9. The whole team celebrated after the match. 10. We must celebrate every milestone in life.